Don't cross that bridge until you come to it. Just supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today, I don't remember if we've talked about this one or not. We probably have at some point in the like 1500 or so we've covered. But it is a cautionary tale to not look for trouble, right? Not go out of our way worrying, doubting, and fretting about trouble. The origin, like so many of these idioms, is a little murky, but it is attributed with Henry Wadsworth Longfellow in his work, The Golden Legend. And it's a proverb that was around long before he wrote about it, but he used it in 1851 in that piece of work that he created. But it means let's not look for trouble as we're building and growing and supersizing our business. I don't know about you, but early on in my business building and business growing lifetime or career, I used to lay awake at night, doubting and fretting and worrying about what could go wrong or what might happen. Guess what? The more I did that, number one, I lost sleep. Number two, it made me less effective when I was awake and working on business. And it actually attracted some of those things I didn't want to have happen to me and to my business. I remember one of my businesses, it was in a challenging banking time when banks were calling notes and loans really for no reason. And of course, we never missed a beat. The business had never missed a beat financially, but when it came time for the balloon to be due for that particular loan, the bank called it. And they called the loan on the building, which was ridiculous. And we had to figure out how to solve that problem. Now, I gotta wonder, if I hadn't worried about it ahead of time, might that not have happened? I don't know. That we like to second guess things when they go our way or don't go our way, but really we never know what may have or could have happened. We just do the best we can at the time. So now, our topic for Get Your Goals Challenge today, we're focusing on mental well-being and mental things the month of March, is to cultivate optimism. And I think that over the last 10, probably 15 years or so, let's say 13 years, I have definitely focused on the positive and cultivated optimism and created and added habits and rituals and things to my life that move me in a positive direction and cultivate optimism. Practicing gratitude, being resilient. You know, if we are more optimistic and we look for the upside of things, we will get better results. It helps us physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually if we're optimistic. How do we cultivate optimism? We hang around positive people. We feed our brain positive, optimistic things. We look for possibility, not for problems. One of my favorite things to do is when I'm seeing a problem is to get to solutions as quickly as possible. Once we identify the root cause of the problem, we immediately flip to solutions. We don't sit and bitch and moan and complain about the problem. We figure out what we're going to do about it. And I think that the quicker you get to solution from problems and the quicker your brain is focusing on solutions and possibilities and what to do about it, the better results that you get and the easier it is to grow and build and supersize your business. So I would love to know your experience with not crossing the bridge until you get to it. Now, that doesn't mean we don't have contingency plans, and we don't have insurance, so we don't think about and protect ourselves in different ways for our business. It just means we don't dwell on all the bad things that could happen and assume that they're going to, because that attracts them to us. All right, that's it. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business? Have an awesome day.